Hello, brother. So in this video, I will show you how you can edit your website. So this is the first part, which is the slider. To edit this one, you have to hover over slider revolution, then click on slider one. And from here, you can edit the content. Just click on it and edit from here. Okay. And also this one, you can change every text. And once the changes are done, just click on save. Okay. So for the other part of the website, let's say this part, you can click on edit page. This is the part, okay, vision. To edit the text, just click on the pencil icon here and edit the text you want and then save. Same goes to this one. And to change this image, click on the pencil icon here and then add an image, upload a new image, and then save image. Okay, like that. You can upload the image, open, and then create image, and then save changes. Okay. Okay, so for the other part, this is the text, the same thing, and these are the product. I mean the book, which are basically the e-commerce product. I will show you in a bit how to add the book. And this is another product line. This is also product. So okay, so this one is a box. Okay. Change the background of the box. Just click on the pencil icon here and then click on background and then add a new image and then save image. Okay. Once you are done, just click save change. Okay, these are the author page. You can delete this one. This text, just click on the cross icon and it will be deleted. So these are the author name which are linked. So let's say you want to add a new author and then link up. So just click on that, add the author image here, and the link of the author page. I mean the new page of the author. I'll show you how the author page will look like. So the link and then save changes, and it will show you like that. Okay. And to permalink the text and the name of the author, you can just change it, change the name, and then click the link and then paste the link of the author page, new author page. Okay. And then apply and then save changes. Okay, this is the donate system and the reader reviews here. You can add the reviews from here. Just click on any of them and you can copy them to make more reviews. Currently there are 4. To edit the review, click on pencil icon here and then add the review. You can also add the image of the user who left the review, then the name, and then save. Okay. To sign up as author, you can sign up as the author. They click on it, they will be signed up. So let's say we want to add new book. Okay. So this is currently thriller. Okay, we are on the Arabic mode. Let's change the default language. The first language is set to the Arabic. Okay, so all the other pages, as you can see, there are two options. The pages are showing as the Arabic as we have published the Arabic, like this one. Go to this page. Okay, this one is showing as Arabic. So click on the pencil icon. I don't know what is it saying as Arabic. So then from here, just click on, as you can see, these are the Arabic option. The Arabic, if you want to keep the page as Arabic only, you can. And if you want to make the page uh, primary as English, just click on that and let update. So the primary page is English. And if you want to add Arabic page, then we have to add a whole new page as Arabic language. And I can do that for you. I mean, like all of the pages we have on the website. I mean, this all of this page, the home, books, and the book, the categories. I mean, like this all of this book categories page and the authors, the make donation. All of these pages need to be remake um, in. I mean, like duplication. All of the page needs to be remake for every icon, and then you can add the Arabic text. Okay, so I have already add the option for Arabic. Okay, and we can add the Arabic menu too. And once we add the Arabic pages, we will add the Arabic menu. So let me know if you want me to remake all of the pages in Arabic. It's like remake I mean, all of the pages from scratch, like this. I mean, the home page, the author page, and then the slider. I mean, this the main slider. This one is showing us Arabic. We don't want it at Arabic, so click on the pencil icon and then English. Let's go to the first page. Okay, this is the home page. Click on that. Okay, this is the home page, which is set as Arabic. So from every page that you want to translate in Arabic needs to be remake. Okay, and all of these pages are made in English version. So if you want to use only Arabic version, we can do that. And if you want to use dual version, like one for English, one for Arabic, then we have to make all of these pages, start to end in uh, English format, and then you can just add the Arabic text on the pages. So we have to make the books and then these books categories, single book categories, every pages, and then you can see this is the Arabic one. So all of these pages needs to be remake in English. For Arabic mode, like it's like creating all of them again. So to let me know what do you want to do. You want me to make all of these pages for Arabic language? Like creating these pages again only for Arabic, and then you can add the Arabic text, and the menu is like set up in this website again only for Arabic. Okay, I mean like one for English, which is already done, and then one for Arabic. Okay, it's like the same amount of work, like the like we had done for this website. Okay, so do let me know how do you think, what do you want to do. So this is the author page. We can edit this one, and the other pages is pretty much same. So the give, which is the donation page, the donation option here, this one is linked to the give. Click on that. So this is we have. So click on setting, and then from here click on payment gateway, and then it's currently in test mode. We have to disable it, and then click on Stripe. Okay, we have to save changes after disabling it. So let's say click on Stripe, and then we have to you have to connect. I mean, the owner of the website needs to connect the Stripe account. So when somebody donates the website, they will receive the payment. And there's card, credit card, and other options as well. So I have already added you as the admin. So now you can see all of this option here. You are as an editor, that's why you couldn't access the dashboard, and I have already added you as an admin. So, and this is the book. Um, to add the book, you can just click on that, add new book, and then add a title, and then select the PDF file, and then add a book category from here, and then publish. Okay, and the product, I mean the book, which we are using as product. This one is a product actually. Okay, to edit a book or add a book, let's say edit the product. So let me break it down for you. So uh, let's review it. Okay, this part here, this is the title, which is this one. The author name, which is this one, is a link to the author. So, and then the short description of the book is this one, and then read is the button. Okay, for the new book, we have to just copy this whole thing and then add a new product, like click on that, and then product, and then add the product here. Let me show you. The product will be virtual product, like this one, virtual. We don't have to add any price for the product, like just add a zero. Okay. And then you can add a select the product category and add new category for the product. You can save the product image from here, and we don't have to use that brand. And this is the related product. So once you have filled all of these fields, and then you can publish to add the book. Okay, and interesting thing is, let me show you. So when you click on the breed book, it will take you to the book demo. I mean, where you, let me show you. Click on read book. So it will take you to the book demo page where we have embedded the PDF. I mean the book page, I mean the book. So when you add a book, you will get a short code. Okay, let me show you all the books that we add. And let's say click on book 3, and this is the short code. Just click on that, copy it, and this is the book demo. Let me show you how it looks like when you edit that. So this is the book page. Just click on that. I mean, like, add. Okay, let's save it as English version. So when you add a new page, just add the new page, and then add a new row. This is the row, and then add a text block, and then add the new book short code to here, and then publish the page, and then you copy the permalink, and then add this one to the uh, product page. I mean this one here. Okay. For all of the new book, we just have to copy this one and then add a new product and then paste it on the down the product short description, and then just replace it with the new book page URL. This one. Okay. Once you are done, just click on update. Okay. And the other thing are I think, okay, this is the blog. This is also set up as Arabic. This is the blog page. To add a new post on the blog, click on all post, and you can add the categories of the post first. You can add a new category from here, and then add category. And once you're done, click on add a post. And from here, just add the title of the post and then the content of the post, and then assign the post to their category. And for the post image, click on here, set featured image, and then select the file. And once you're done, just click on publish. Okay, this is how you add a post. And these are the other options that you don't need currently. And yeah, that's all. So the most important part is what you want to do with the second language system, because if you want to add the Arabic language on the website, then we'll have to create all of the pages again. Okay, only for the Arabic, all of the pages again. Then you just need to replace the text for the new pages and the new system. Okay, so do let me know what you want to do with all of this, and thank you. Let me know if you have any question.